you trust in us and we'll be champions.
Congratulations, President Amir. Now you are our new president of MPP. Yay!
Thank you.
I still remember your manifesto. You want to transform this abandoned lake to be our new recreation spot.
Yes, true, exactly.
But how it's gonna work?
Okay, like this. Ting. Aha! For you guys, information, there's microbes that can help to clean our water. It is an aerobic bacteria. The aerobic bacteria use the oxygen within the water to degrade the pollutants in the water and converts it into the energy that can be used to grow and reproduce. Besides aerobic bacteria, there's an anaerobic bacteria. The main roles of anaerobic bacteria in water treatment is to reduce the volume of sludge and produce methane gas from it.
Extra information.
Before being discharged into rivers and lakes, wastewater must be purified. One of the systems used for the purpose is activated sludge purification. This process utilizes the water self-purification principle in which the microorganisms such as bacteria, protozoa, and metazoa use the organic substance contained in water, transform them, and remove them from the water. The aerobic process is the most commonly used one, such as oxygen is supplied to trigger the biological process in which the organic substances are oxidized. When this reaction is over, water is purified and flakes of biological material known as activated sludge are produced. This activated sludge consists of organic and inorganic components and different species of microorganisms. Ciliate protozoa play a very important role in the purification process. There is competition for food in the oxidization tanks, such as the place in which purification takes place. Bacteria are eaten by small predators, which in their turn are eaten by larger organisms. So, bacteria need nutrients which consist of the organic matter contained in the wastewater. The presence of celiac protozoa in the activated sludge proved, therefore, that they are bacteria as well. If there are approximately 10 million individuals per liter, it means the purification plant works. By studying celiac protozoa used as bioindicators, one can check if the plant works and take corrective measures.
The weather is so hot today. Malaysia's so hot. Look at the girl. She's so weird. She's wearing a black hoodie in this sunny day. What? There's a lot of rubbish here. Yeah. Especially plastics and bottles. Yeah, that's true. Even nowadays, government has controlled the use of plastic bags. Why do we still everywhere? How to dispose these plastic materials?
Ting, ting, ting. I got it.
Yeah, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it.
By the way, plastics are complex polymers. It means it has a long, repeating chain of molecules that don't dissolve in water. The strength of these chains makes the plastic very durable, and it takes a very long time to decompose naturally. However, nowadays, there are scientists that have found a bacteria that could digest the plastic that have been used to make single-use bottle drinks known as PET. It works by secreting an enzyme known as PETase. This enzyme will break certain chemical bonds to form a smaller molecules that can be absorbed by the bacteria using their carbon as a food source.
Extra information.
Nowadays, plastics are everywhere. As you guys know, plastic takes approximately 1,000 years to decompose naturally. The plastic bottles we throw away today will be around for hundreds of years. It is one of the key reasons why the mounting plastic pollution problem, which is having a deadly effect on marine life, is so serious. But scientists recently discovered a strain of bacteria that can literally eat the plastic used to make bottles and have now improved it to make it work faster. The effects are modest. It is not a complete solution to plastic pollution, but it does show how bacteria could help create more environmentally friendly recycling. In 2016, scientists from Japan tested different bacteria from a bottle recycling plant and found that Ideonella cyclinaceae 201Fc could digest the plastic used to make single-use drink bottles, polyethylene terephthalate, or as known as PET. It works by secreting an enzyme, which is a type of protein that can speed up chemical reaction known as PETase. This splits certain chemical bond in PET, leaving smaller molecules that the bacteria can absorb, using the carbon in them as a food source. Although other bacterial enzymes were already known to slowly digest PET, the new enzyme had apparently evolved specifically for this job. This suggests it might be faster and more efficient, and so have the potential for use in biorecycling.
For your information, there's a new discovery about bacteria that could generate electricity. It is the member of a genus known as Disulfidobacterium, which up until now was not known to have the capacity to generate electricity. That's all from us. Thank you.
Bye! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up!